Welcome to Cinematic. My name is Chris Tennard. I'm guessing you'll find your way here because you're interested in improving your cinematography or your photography skills. Maybe you're even ready to explore taking your hobby and turn it into a career. Every time I teach this course, I always start by saying, today is the last day you'll be filming in automatic. That's how important manual settings are. Learning your camera settings and how to extract the most from your equipment is the foundation of cinematography. In this course, I'll go over all the settings like ISO, aperture, shutter speed, and white balance, so you can take control of your equipment and create the images you've always envisioned. Like many of you, I started with zero experience in the industry back in 2004. I learned everything through making a lot of mistakes. Essentially, my clients were paying me to learn, but it just took a very long time. And that's exactly why I created this course, to shorten the learning curve and help people hopefully avoid some of the mistakes that I made. So if you're serious about elevating your skills to the next level and starting to create high quality images, then join me in my Essential Camera Setting course. Thanks again, and happy filming.